Yo, Logan, we've been growing so much on YouTube lately.
Yeah, dude.
We need to step some things up, bro. Do you have any ideas?
Dude, I don't know. I think the problem is we need to up our quality.
Yeah,
But-
for sure. We need some new equipment, but how are we gonna get money?
I don't know, dude. We're broke. We can't get jobs because of the coronavirus and the pandemic that's
You
happening.
know, we're both good at art. Like, we're good artists.
That's
People
true.
have seen that first video. They know we're good artists. Like, have you ever heard of the website Redbubble?
No, what's Redbubble?
Redbubble's the website where you can put your design on anything and sell it as a t-shirt. Bro, I think we should put our art skills to the test and spend 2 days making art, post it on Redbubble, and I guarantee you we're gonna make a band.
Okay, so we have 2 days to make our art and we just go, right? And we post it and people will love our art.
Oh yeah, easy.
We'll see. We can sell t-shirts and mugs and stuff.
Yeah.
All right.
Everything. Stickers.
Let's do it.
It's game, bro.
Oh shit! I've ever done.
That's funny. All right, we got the shop set up, guys. So we have 55 different designs. Let's just take a look through and see what we got. Starting off, we got a banger here. It's the beam on the glizzy sticker.
Put a beam on the glizzy.
You
You can put it on a water bottle.
You get it on the water bottle.
Dude,
Gladiator, dude.
can you only put it on the water bottle? What else we got here?
Coffee mug, dude. Just a little
Guys, this sticker can
reminder
go
of the morning that
anywhere.
you're.
This can go on the
Glizzy
back
up.
of your car. This can.
I don't know what that was.
Wait.
Alright, so we have wait, listen. This is perfect gift for holidays.
What the hell is that?
It's a little.
shit?
It's a little stocking stuffer, dude.
Satan Claus. So you know Santa Claus? This is Satan Claus.
Why does he have a crab claw?
Fuck is
Wait,
that?
is that the elf?
Is there
The elf on the shelf is
Jason,
actually
what's the
dying.
star in the background? Jason, what's Santa doing back there?
You can get it for any phone.
That's Samsung Galaxy.
Let's see. Yeah, let's see it on an S.
You could also get it on a
Get a
tough
tough
kit.
case for me, dude.
hardback case.
Look at that.
Gorgeous. Good for kids. Good for families.
What other products are there? Show me some
Tough
other
You can get
products.
this. You and your girlfriend can get this on a T-shirt.
Uh-oh.
Yeah,
Do you want to show
No
your
way.
unconditional love?
Sounds like
Get matching tees with you and your girlfriend.
And it comes in any size too.
Let's see the sizes. 5XL?
5X?
Are you fat as shit?
It's cheap. It's only.
You
It's only
can't
20 bucks.
say that, Logan.
I did though.
He's fat shaming. Everyone beat Logan.
Oh
I'm just glad
no.
they finally have a size for me.
We're on a tear right now.
Everyone knows one of our favorite characters, Martin Cabello.
Oh, we love Martin Cabello. Show a TikTok.
Here's my gas can. My brother Josh blew himself up and his 2 kids.
Actually,
This guy?
You kind of buff.
he's low key jacked as shit. Look at this reference image. Are you kidding me?
That's pretty
This
good.
is drawn
Wow.
with the
That's
finest
pretty,
of paintbrushes.
That is pretty close, bro.
No,
That
is that a,
is-
that's
Jason,
not a
Jason,
real frog. That's
Jason,
not
tell me
real.
how long. Tell me how long you took on this one.
2 minutes.
No, wait. No, tell me how long you actually took on it.
Not a
I'm
real
kidding.
cricket.
Obviously, this took me 3.5 months. I sat in the
That can't be a
time
real cricket.
chamber
It's fake. It's
and I cranked it out.
Mitchell, does that look like a real bug to you?
Ooh.
All right, ping pong pedal tote bag.
Spank me, daddy.
Real talk, look at
That is
Mitchell's
one I might
artistic
actually
skills.
buy.
Are you a naughty
That
boy?
was pretty good, bro.
All right, continuing with our TikTok legends. You know
TikTok
who this one is.
was-
Andy.
You like what you say, I could fuck you all the time.
All my haters, they call nothing not homies. Anything worth throwing me on TikTok. I don't do a damn thing on TikTok, just make videos, people.
Let me. If no one knows who Big Andy is, just listen to this.
Big Andy is the closest thing we have to a Neanderthal. This man has discovered fire. This is terrible. Jason, whatever's in your head when you're making this art is scary. That's a dark
I-
place to
I'm-
be.
That's artistic.
That is a
artistic.
dark image.
Space
we're
exploration.
Why does are there like 2 planets there, or what's going
Yeah,
on with
wait.
that?
Why are there 2 Earths?
It's a unique planet.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, the spaceship is
called?
pretty big compared to
It's
Urethra.
it's actually planet
planet Urethra.
Right next to Uranus.
Oh my god, right next to Uranus. This is good. This is good. This is Thomas the Train, for your child.
E for everyone.
If you look closely, the paint strokes in this are just immaculate. You can
Wait,
see I
I just
captured
said-
every single essence of Thomas the Train.
It looks great on the Samsung phone case.
This one's actually for one of our good friends, Nicholas. This is one of my favorites. We all love his father, and his father's a big role model to all of
Mr.
us.
Anderson.
Yeah.
So I made a to-do
Really?
list because he works very hard, and this is actually
big elf.
my to-do list. And if you see, I walk the dog, I take the trash out, laundry, dishes, mow the lawn, and that's generally about it.
That just wraps up the day after
Nick,
the
I had sex with your father. It has a Minecraft
I'm
pickaxe.
scared of my own mind. This is a cry for help. Save me.
It features some
Logan,
diamond
wait.
ore, which is one of the strongest materials in Minecraft.
It's not a cry for help.
Is there something you need to sell us?
Skip this one. Skip this one. It might have racist undertones.
He actually owns a couple horses too,
Some
so he had a
past
great
I own
reference.
horses, and if you don't think they look like this, you're wrong, because I own horses. Have you been going through any heartbreak recently?
No.
What?
Click the reference image.
So you can see there are...
What kind of fish is this?
Those are his gills. Those are his
They're all
gills.
those-
What is the pink? What is the pink fish doing?
What, the one that's getting caught by the fisherman? That one?
What's being exchanged between the yellow
It
and
is
red
purple.
fish?
They're talking. It's like the
Whiskers.
yeah, they're whiskers.
Whiskers are touching
They're
each other.
whiskers.
They're catfish, you
There's a little
dumbass.
school of cocks. in the
Yes, they're
background, dude.
whiskers.
The school of cocks.
Don't click on that one.
Click on Happy Mother's Day. But who's the... Okay, is Thanos donging in that? Can I show this? Is that a
Wait.
PP?
Yes. Yes, it is. Don't show
Click
this.
it. Click it.
Wait,
What the fuck
bro.
is this? Is that a PP?
Wait. Yes.
Is there a
it
PP in
is.
this? Are we sure?
I
You have
see
to
it,
verify.
balls
I
for
definitely
sure.
see your balls, bro.
Who
Wait,
is
let me
this?
do it.
Memkey.
Alright, can we get
What happened?
can we get a choir? Can we
What
would
the
you guys
fuck is Mimkey?
Alright boys, so anyone interested
My homework.
On a bed sheet? Why would you put this shit on your bed sheet?
why? Let's get
Shrunion.
Wait.
Shrek Onion.
Onions have layers.
Oh
A
man.
shrunion.
Can you make
Sugar onion.
better art?
No.
Is it
Can't make better
possible
art.
to make
Look
better
how
art?
good this looks.
Dude, my guy is fucking.
He's fucking yoked.
I gotta say though. I
Why
gotta
is his
say
hair
though,
bitten off?
We're all children of God here, so.
why does he have a beard? He's 10. And why are the eyes rolling up into the back of his skull?
Look at his shirt, dude.
Oh,
He's
dude, he drippy as
fly.
shit.
He looks fly.
He has no arms.
Looks like a strap.
He also has no arms.
Take it away,
Oh,
Luke.
Do
Would
you
like
have-
to explain?
Brother.
Do you have any snowflake liberal friends who think the world is round? Fucking morons, am I right? Show them your passion by getting on the...
Okay.
I can explain this.
So here you have just a green square.
I don't understand. I don't get it. Why is it just
What
a
is it?
green square?
It's an artistic statement. That's all.